Begin. All right, welcome everybody. So let's look at a few major indices. Let's look at the VIX first. So over the past week, we have seen it still staying range bound. It's not making a big difference. It's quite normal at this stage. It is, yeah, I have a few, my VIX calls are still around, and it's just a hedge. So it's just in case there's any sudden spike up. Today we see a bit of a up move in the markets. Looks like a reversal, and yeah, the VIX is going up too. So sometimes when the market goes up, VIX goes up too. Okay, so yeah, now it's still range bound. Not much going on. So let's look at the Nasdaq. For the Nasdaq, we hit the all-time high yesterday, 14064, and it's kind of consolidating at this 14,000 levels. I think after the up move, consolidation or even coming slightly down is perfectly fine. Yeah, you don't expect things to go straight up anyway. So give it some time to rest. Yeah. We're still in the bullish zone. And earnings this week has been pretty good. All the tech companies are doing pretty well. Google, Amazon, Facebook. Yeah. Next, let's look at the S&P 500. Same thing yesterday, all-time high, 4211. And today we're retracing a bit. So it's probably hugging this 4200 levels. Yeah, this is like just gonna be quite flat. So maybe that's why you see the VIX is pretty muted. Yeah, until there's a big sudden, like either up or down, then you see the VIX spiking. Pretty flat market for the past weeks. Okay, so all right, let's look at some specific companies. Normally, I look at Apple first. So Apple had earnings, and then it get up, so down, and then today it get down and and kind of bought all the way up. So yeah, I would say this is a intermediate support, very weak, but yeah, this 131 level is like a intermediate support. It is we touched it last week, so it's a intermediate support. Yeah, I think it'll just float around this level. Yeah, Apple had a pretty good earnings from what I recall. All right, so it's good to be vested. Next will be Tesla. So Tesla, today yesterday and today it is like in the green channel. So it's also, I mean, if you notice, it's also like in a intermediate support zone. Yeah, around the 666 levels. So yep, looks pretty good. Yeah, looks pretty good. So if I draw a ray like here to here to here, let's make this a yellow ray. All right, let's look at crowd. All right, CrowdStrike. Yeah, you see the up move here, down and up and then down. Looks like a good zone. So normally I'll look at, I'll do this parallelogram thing. So bottom, up, across. So you can see this is the buy zone. Yeah, and anywhere around 205 plus minus a bit. Yeah, it's good buy. Okay. Yeah, I heard Crowd is it earnings soon? March. So oh no, it's already over. Okay, let's look at net. Net is Cloudflare. Yeah, net has kind of a huge up move in the past late last week and early this week. So pretty bullish on this. Okay. Yeah, I mean it's this up move is pretty a bit fast. Yeah. So a retracement down is perfectly normal. I mean ideally I would wanted to come back down to around 80 levels. That would be a good time to buy. Yeah, around this level. Okay. Let's look at C Limited. C Limited, yeah, you can see, yeah, it's similar as Cloudflare. Last late last week, early this week, uh, very quick, there's a big spike up. This move is really big, like 230 level to 270 level. This is about 20%. Yeah, it's a really fast move over 4 to 5 sessions. Yeah. So coming down is perfectly normal. So you see this red line I drew last time. Yeah, I think this 250 level. Yeah, good buying zone around here. I mean it doesn't have to touch it, but it's around there. So it's a good buy zone. Yeah. Okay. I heard that C Limited it will be joining the Singapore MSCI index or something. So yeah, it's good to buy. Next will be JD.com. JD has been pretty weak. Oh, this is one of the Bill Huang stocks. It just came down because Bill Huang. But yeah, it's since then it's been pretty uh, pretty slow. I I wouldn't even okay. This is just a very uh just in the past one week 2 weeks channel. Yeah, this channel is formed in the past 1 to 2 weeks, so it's quite a weak channel. It could continue. It could go up. It could go down. It's hard to say. But I like this. I like this. You see this support line, $76 support line. It was here and it was touched here on the 25th of March and also today. So yep, good support line. Yeah, it's good to enter a bit if you're not already invested. Okay. What else? Oh, Square. Yeah, I already have a channel here. So today we touched the bottom of the channel. Good time to enter a position if you haven't already done so. Yeah, but of course, if it breaks below, it could go back down lower. Yeah. So gotta be careful. Yeah. 244 levels. I think if it goes below 243, it's kind of worrying. Okay, so somebody asked, should should you close net before earnings next week? So that will be on the presume 6th of May. I think it's been quite a big up move. Generally, I want to close positions before earnings if it's profitable. And then the day before earnings, I would consider starting a earnings trade just for earnings itself. Okay. So another question. What could be the movement for May? Is it up or sideways or down? Okay, let's look at the general markets. If we're looking at the Nasdaq, I think May should be okay. If you look at from April, right? First April would be around here to end of April. We moved up and just went sideways all the way. I think for me it would be either sideways or down before it goes back up. So the entire move might be totally sideways. Yeah, it might be totally sideways. So, yeah, gotta be a bit careful. Don't be too bullish or too bearish. Somebody asked, what does earnings trades mean? So normally I do earnings trades the day before, and if I'm bullish on the stock and I want to enter a position, I would consider doing a jade visit. So, for example, so I sold a put that is around probably the 50 levels, and a call spread which is around the 65, 66 level. Yeah, it's a bit technical, so you can Google. Yeah, it's a jade lizard. So you sell two options, you buy one option. The idea is that when you sell two options and there's fall crush due to the earnings, uh, so normally pre-earnings you have high volatility, post-earnings you have a vol crush, so you have low volatility, so you kind of earn the difference because you have short two options versus long one option. And you can be uh you can be bullish or you can be bearish. Yeah, either way is fine. So that's fall crush. So it can be a jade lizard or inverse jade lizard. So whether you sell a naked put and sell a call spread, or you sell a naked call and sell a put spread, yeah, it's inverse. So yeah, generally you don't want to sell a naked call in a small company. You only sell a naked call in a decent sized company. Yeah, because you don't want the price to spike up uh, against your naked call. That would be very scary because uh, you would, in a sense, lose a lot of money. Yeah, you would have a lot of unrealized losses. Generally, I don't do inverse jade lizards for earnings. Yeah. Uh, you could also do an iron condor, like for Amazon. I did an iron condor. I think I was probably around the three three around the three levels, and I think it was 365 levels. Yeah, so if if it stays in between, that's when you get maximum profits. Yeah. So yep, that's earnings trades. So generally the FANGs has been pushing up the market, uh the as in the indexes. So you see all this movement, it's kind of scary, but yeah, you have to understand that it's the FANGs that's moving the indexes. Um, and if you look at the FANGs, right, for Amazon, well, kind of touching the top already. Yeah, gotta be a bit careful here. Okay, let's look at NIO. NIO, okay, wow, pretty nice. So if you have uh, heard my NIO analysis last time, this is the buy zone. Today we just touched it and then we're off. Yeah, so this is a big drive down, another medium drive down, and then a smaller drive down. And then now we're like another attempt, but it doesn't look like it's happening. So it looks like we we I have a good feeling about this, yeah. But ideally on Monday, next Monday, we see confirmation, another green candle, and then it should be uh, back to business, like back back to going up. Yeah. So that'll be new. we have broken out of this red downtrend. So when it spikes out of the red downtrend and it comes back down, ideally we want to see it go back up, like at least to the 46 levels. Yeah. So yeah, it's good to wait for confirmation. Yeah, but I have a good feeling about this. Okay, let's look at Palantir. Yeah, Palantir was just consolidating. Yeah, like up, down, up, down, up, down. This is a huge consolidation. Okay, I don't know how long we'll consolidate, but yeah, it's been consolidating for a while. So I'm not entering any new positions in Palantir. Yeah, I wouldn't enter more until it breaks up or down. Okay, let's look at Plug. Okay, it broke below the support zone, and now it's resistant levels. So it's a bit scary. If it doesn't, I mean, if it doesn't go above the 30 level, like if I think if the next week or the next 2 weeks, if it doesn't go above 30, then I would be pretty worried about this. Yeah. I'm not sure what this does. Probably hydrogen. Okay, let's look at FSLY. FSLY. Yeah, it's similar to Palantir. It's just consolidating. Nothing much happening. It's just like going up and down. So for this kind of consolidation, right? You should not enter new positions until there's a clear direction. Okay, let's look at Mara. Mara is Bitcoin. So today I think we went past 56K for Bitcoin, and yeah, I think it's pretty good. I've been accumulating Bitcoin the past week or so. Yeah, pretty good. So yeah, today we spiked up a bit, and you can see this moves is like up, down, up, quick. Yeah, and then the recent is like down all the way down to the is this the 100 moving average? Yeah. Then now we're going up again. So yeah, pretty positive on Mara. Yeah. I think it would continue going up. Pretty positive about this. Okay. And I think okay, let's look at a final one. BEEM. Okay. Wow, this one is bounced off the 200 MA, tested it again, bounced up again, and now it's like testing again. So this is yeah, it's like the consolidation ones. But this is I think it's better because it is very near the 200 MA. So let's say if you have not entered, yeah, it's good to consider. But this is a very small company, less than 300 million. Yeah, 301 million. Yeah, it's a bit. It's a small company. I have no idea what they do, but well, it's on a 200 MA. If you want to buy a few shares, it's okay. Yeah, but don't put more than 3%. Yeah, it's a very small company, so very risky. All right, so thanks everybody. I'll see you next week, same time, 11 p.m. Bye everyone.